Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making a slime. So the things you're going to need is a bowl to mix the slime in, a chopstick to mix it, or a spoon,
and some glue,
some shaving cream if you want to make it fluffy, some food coloring. You can use any food coloring, or you don't have to use food coloring, but we're using red and yellow to make orange. And we're going to use 2 bottles of glue maybe, and a container to put your slime in when you're done. So first step is to get your glue bottle. This one is tight, okay. So get your glue bottle. Okay, we'll just open it from the top and squeeze out the glue.
How much do we need?
We need a full bottle at least.
Look at that glue. That's some tiny glue, guys.
Yeah.
We need some more.
1 sec. My mom opened it. Now we can put the glue in. So you put all of it. You put in all of it. Oh
Not
my
enough.
gosh. No, we need all of it. 1 bottle is enough. So, because if we're gonna get a small container, then we're gonna need just 1 bottle of glue.
Yeah, because then it's gonna be too big that I can't fit in the container. Right?
Stop, Ali. Okay, so we put that. Please stop. This is a YouTube video. Everyone's gonna see you doing that. So after when you're done, one of my hands is going in my hand.
This is how you can wash them
So
later.
mix it if you like.
Can I try mixing?
Me too. We don't need a mix. Oh, we don't need a mix right now. Okay, just leave it, Christy.
Sticky glue.
Stop mixing at it. We don't need a mix.
We're gonna mix it.
Okay, thanks. Now we're gonna add some shaving cream
To make it fluffy.
to make it fluffy.
Of course.
Okay, we're gonna add a lot of it. Wait,
That's shaving cream, what I call fluffiness.
oh, that's fine.
Oh, that's so much.
Okay, we'll remove this so you can see what we're working with.
Oh, look at that shaving cream.
So now we
Look
have
at
to
that.
mix. See that's a white fluffy slime. Next, when we mix this, we're gonna want to add some. We're gonna add some red food coloring.
There's still some
You
more.
have to be super careful with these, because if you get them in your clothes, you might not be able to remove them later. Okay. But in your skin, it will go away after like some days or some time, okay? So we want to put it on the cap so that we don't put a lot and make it like super dark red. So we put a little bit, tiny bit on the cap. There, that should be enough.
1, 2.
There.
That's enough.
And we put it
Now we're gonna
there.
put some orange.
That's yellow.
Now open it. It looks like orange. Yeah.
We'll mix that. Christy, can you mix that?
Yeah, I got it. I want to mix it.
I got some dirt. We'll just tie it up later. Make sure it doesn't spill.
Can I mix?
Okay, are they mixed now?
There are lots and lots of shaving cream. It's like a light.
Okay, maybe we need to add a little bit more because I think it's not enough.
Yeah, it's turning pink. We can make it pink now.
No, we're making orange now.
It's turning pink, guys.
Okay, that's way too much. But that's okay. Because we have
Way too little.
a lot of shaving cream and I think it's enough. Okay, so after we mix this very good,
It's pink.
it's
Yes.
okay. If you get dirty,
You want to wash your hands.
or you will like make it. Basically, when you see it from the screen, you think it's not pink yet. But if you see it from here, you see that it's pink, right? So now we add some yellow.
Not too much. Not too much. Oh, okay. I think that's enough. Is it? No.
Yeah.
We don't
So
know.
we mix the yellow. looks like an ugly color from here. So I'll show you now. I'll let it go.
It looks from the bottom yellow and from the top pink, and then some white. See, guys?
It's kind of looking like magma pink. It's looking good still.
I think we need a little bit more yellow.
No, it's good, yeah. Look, guys, if you think this is orange good, subscribe.
It's light orange.
Oh, it's very good.
It's peach. It's peach.
Yeah, it's like peach brownish.
We don't know if it's orange color, so
we're gonna
describe
add-
and think what you think.
Yeah. Oh, I almost forgot the most important part. We need
I know it's the finished touch. It's a conditioner, right?
1 second.
No.
Hey,
What's the finishing touch?
What do you think, guys, is the finishing touch?
Yeah, guys.
Well,
The hands?
no.
With the container?
The finishing touch is a tiny bit of water. My friend told me that. And you basically get the water for no reason. But if you want to add it, just a tiny bit of water. We're in this video, we're not going to be adding water. But now is... So now you put some conditioner and you mix it. It should start
It's
forming.
the color green. We usually have purple, but they wasted, so we have to use
So,
green.
look, now it's still super duper gooey. No one could handle this slime. So, Christy, assistant. Let's
Yeah?
have an assistant. And some conditioner. We'll put this chopstick away. Look at that conditioner. This, so, yeah. Ali, come here. I need you to hold the bowl. Okay, done. Okay, hold the bowl.
Some green conditioner. You see there? You see there?
So, as you were mixing your slime, you're probably like seeing all of the colors mash, and you're probably thinking, my hands are gonna get super dirty. But don't worry, they will wash out. More conditioner, please.
Okay.
You have to use a lot of conditioner.
Okay, wait, let's put it. Let's open that. Yeah. Me and I can put it together.
Put a lot of it, as much as you can. Almost all of the bottle, if you're making giant slime. Don't worry if you get it in your hands. Just don't go and
This
wash
much?
it in the bathroom. Because if you wash in the bathroom, your sink will get plugged. And you won't be able to put the water down there.
So you have to
that's
call the
enough,
man.
Christy. Yeah, and you have to call the people to like come fix your sink.
Yeah.
Yes, Ali, you know your sink. Yeah. So basically, when you have enough, if your hands are like sticky like this, don't worry. Cause just get some conditioner. If you don't have a friend or a brother or sister to help
Or
you,
you could wash it in the hose.
no.
Recording.
I'd rather not to wash your hands at all when you're having slime. If your slime is too sticky, just grab. Christy, you can grab that. Okay. So if your slime is too sticky, guys, you're a mess. Come on, get that out. So now you guys can see that it's forming.
Yeah.
See that it's like forming more color. So
Orange?
well, it looks like an ugly color now, but it won't be an ugly color later.
Look at the yellow still in there. Yeah, right. We still see some yellow. Oh no. Guys,
So put it for a sec in your bowl. Get some slime because a lot of slime fell out of the bowl. And Christy, please don't do that. Natalie, don't touch the slime. So get a piece of slime and because we want to have like a clear workspace so that even if you get the table like dirty or something, nothing will happen.
nothing like no fire or something. Yeah,
Nothing. Even if you have like a busy workspace, like a table with like containers nearby with water, and you accidentally spill one on your slime, I am sorry to say this, but your slime is now dead. So if you actually spill water, a lot of it, on your slime will become like
gooey.
gooey, exactly. Like like it was on the beginning.
Yeah.
And then you have to throw it away. Don't throw it away. Don't flush it down
Once
the toilet.
I had it a pink toilet, and I put so much shaving cream, so I had to throw it.
Yeah, she had this pink slime, and she put. If you put too much shaving cream,
It will get too fluffy
it will get too hard.
and too fluffy.
And so if you have the right color,
That's
why
why
I
I
want it.
throw it.
if you want the right color,
It looks a little bit like golden. Yeah, there's.
so you want to make sure that you got all the slime in the bowl, and then just keep mixing until you think you got. If it's still very sticky, just leave it in the bowl and put it away.
Yeah.
If you don't think it's sticky anymore.
Yeah, that's right.
First of all, just if there's like any shaving cream or anything on the workspace, collect it with your slime, because you don't want it to be like so dirty your workspace. So collect the things that you need and just clean it up if you want. And so collect everything about your slime. Christy, don't touch it.
Okay.
And if you don't think it's sticky anymore, I'm just gonna put a little bit of activator.
One piece of conditioner. Makeup master.
Actually, it's not conditioner, because conditioner
One
is the
piece
thing that you
of
use.
slime. Makeup master.
Thank you. That's more like it. So, yeah, and when you're done with the slime, you may go ahead and you have to put it back in the container.
Yeah,
it
that's
doesn't dry
right.
out. So you get the container
You don't want it.
and you put the slime.
You don't want it to rely your hard work. So that's why I have to put in a container.
Okay, if it is too big, just rip off the top
And put it on another bowl.
and put it in another container. Or if you want to be fun, Christy, you can get your slime and mix it with another slime. Only if you want. It's not a must,
Yeah.
but you could. Or you could just get another container.
Yeah.
But I'll grab one right now. The last one that we have in the box. But we have
I'm
more
ready.
somewhere else.
Yeah.
Christy, get the container in the box.
Okay, sure.
So, when your slime is done, you can add toppings. You can add glitter. You can add anything you like. So, Christy, the top. So you add both of them, or you can make it even. You can make this half and this
The top is here.
but with the other container. So, when you think you've done a good job, you close up your slime container. And now, since you don't have that much slime on your hand, you wash it off. So,
Hands
be
dirty.
super duper
Hands
careful
dirty.
with this. Just put the tap on carefully, because we don't want it to get messed up everywhere. Close it tight, and you do the same with the other one. Close it tight, and everything back in its spot. 1, 2, 3. Bye.
See you next time.